Hey guys, we're out here at down by Little Moab on the Chimney Rock Pass Road camping. I got my camera set up a little bit different spot. Hopefully get rid of the glare off the windshield. So we're just going to kind of test it out. Do a little trail right around camp. There's a couple roads up to the top of the mountains I want to go check out, see if we can go up there with a group. I just want to make sure it's a good enough road we can make it with a full razor full of people. So we're just kind of test driving this out and hopefully get you some little bit of footage. Alright, here's the first hill I want to try. This is the smaller of the two. I can't believe how quick it gets dusty, and looking at these trails, they were muddy probably not more than 2 weeks ago, and now it's almost too dusty to ride in a big group. Yeah, this road is definitely a little steeper than it looks from the distance. So hopefully the other one's not as bad. But there's a Jeep coming down it now, and they made it. It just seems to be a little slow. So we'll see. I should be okay, but we'll go over that and see. And this is just a dead end, it looks like. So that's exciting. Always got to check out where things go. Let me turn around this way. See if we can see. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because I don't know what I'm actually looking at. Jeep's right over there in front of me coming down. It actually doesn't look as steep as this hill was. So let me work my way over there, and once he gets down, we'll see if we can go up it. Doesn't look too bad. It's just a lot longer. It's probably twice this long as this hill was. Okay, we're getting up to the second hill, and we can see the track up there in front of us. It's just kind of, it doesn't look as steep as the other one does. It's just a lot longer. So if you lose your momentum and spin out, it might be a little nasty backing down or get moving again. And we'll see how the road conditions are. I've seen a few people go up there today, so it shouldn't be too bad. It depends if I can make it with more people in here. Be my only concern. So I wanted to come check it out before I pile everyone in here and then have to back down this thing with a bike full of people. Actually, it's not too bad. It's not as loose rocks as I thought it was going to be. But it is, this last little bit's going to be pretty steep, it looks like. Coming down is going to be the nastier part, I think. So. Just when you're out riding on these trails, just remember to try to use low gear, 4-wheel drive, just so they don't get tore up any more than they already are. Avoid spinning the best you can, just so they stay accessible for everybody. They're going to get tore up, but we want to minimize it the best we can. Quite the pull. Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to take that one, just with how long it is with a full group of people. Got my temperature up a little ways, not too high, but higher than I like to run it. Get up on top of here and, ooh, I don't know if I'll make that ledge. Nope. Why we test out this unknown? I gotta back down this thing. So, let me get that figured out and I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, we made it back down and turned around. It's not that the obstacle is like too crazy that I think I could have made it, but it's just so far up there to get momentum. And then I'm up here by myself. I mean, camp's only a little ways away, but without anyone to spot or anything, it was just, the risk was too high for what it was. But kind of, you always gotta just go risk reward. I was basically at the top anyway, so no sense getting up there and getting in trouble and rolling or getting where I can't get myself out. If I had a spotter and been working a little bit, I could probably make it. Which I'll probably be about the same boat here because this just dead ends. But just that other one, it was kind of too far up there to do much alone. So that's the reasoning. Look at that view from up here, out over Utah Lake. We can see the farm out there and clear across over. Probably won't be able to see it on camera, but I can kind of see the Y over there on the mountain above Provo. It's pretty crazy. We're 20 minutes from, well, probably 30, 40 minutes from the main city. Kind of nice that we get this far away and have this kind of riding area. I kind of see how much riding there is out here. There's just trails everywhere. You can probably see them rocks across the valley. That's a little Moab. I might try to make it over there. It was pretty crowded. We drove by earlier today before I had my camera out. There's a lot of people out here this weekend just because it's the first real nice weekend of the year. Now we're getting down this hill. Up here is a lot steeper than it looks from the bottom. I didn't just put new brakes on this thing. She's had a little bit better engine braking than they do. But that is not, there's not too much loose rock all over. There are rocks in the center where they've been stirred up, but I've definitely been on some lot looser rock trails that probably wouldn't make it up very well how steep this is. Hopefully we can find a road back that's a little more of an actual road. The way I came across here, it started off a trail and then it just kind of fizzled out into tire tracks, or it looked like someone might have just blazed a trail, but it was a pretty well beaten path, so it's not like it was nothing. So I always try to stay on groomed or marked trails, existing trails. Don't ever blaze your own. Otherwise we lose our access to this kind of stuff. No fun for anybody. Figure out which I can see a road that'll get me back to camp without backtracking too far. Yeah, I'm glad I decided to come check this out before I brought people up here. I don't know if I'm going to bring my razor full of people up here just for safety reasons, just if there happened to be an issue or coming back down, losing brakes or anything. Doesn't seem like a lot, but add 3 more people in here is a pretty good percentage of weight compared to just me and the machine. camping on that big ledge, but it was a big 2-foot tall rock ledge that I would have had to line up perfect to make it over. I'll probably get scolded when I get back to camp because they can see me where from camp, so